Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to mute notifications for remixes on Instagram web using your PC. If you've been getting too many remix alerts and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, this is the setting you need to adjust. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Instagram web. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look over to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage everything related to your profile and notifications. Now, inside the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Next, click on Push Notifications. Even though you're on a PC, this section still manages how Instagram sends you different types of alerts. Scroll down until you find the Remixes option. This is where Instagram controls notifications related to people remixing your content or engaging with remix features. Under Remixes, you'll see different options. To completely stop receiving these notifications, simply select all